Hello, my name is Michael Partogisaan. I am from Section 5, Team 1, Code for Mine. This is my self-reflection video, leadership for software engineering course, uh, final project phase. So, for our project, we did digital mental health literacy hub system, where it was made to improve mental health literacy, um, focuses among students inside in a university. And the second one is to reduce stigma, because usually people who had problems with their mental health usually get negative stigma from others around them, usually because they don't understand what actually a mental health problem is. And then the third is to provide support to the students who actually have mental health problems and help them recover from their mental health issues. The stakeholders for our project, there were four of them. The first one was students, and the second one was the UTM administrators. So they can UTM administrators were the ones who will insert the modules mental health literacy, and then faculty members, and lastly a mental health professional to support the students who needs help. Okay, so lesson learned. The lesson that I've learned from our project from phase one until phase four. So I was the leader for phase two, which was doing the SRS, the requirements. So, of course, for as a leader, um, I will be required to have a technical knowledge. I'll have to understand what does SRS means. What did you have to do for SRS, and then actually, if you can understand what you want to do in SRS, you can produce a good report. And then knowledge and skills of a leader. The first one is technical knowledge. Again, as so you have better understanding of the thing that you are doing. And the second is project management skills. It is where you will have to set deadlines for your teammates, for your members, so they can follow the deadlines and will not um, miss the project deadline, of course. So everything will be uh, clean and neat. The project will be clean and neat. And then third is the communication skills. Here you are working as a team. Of course, you will need a good communication skills. So if there's any problem or anything that your members are having a problem to do, or they can't do something, um, of course they will be communicating with you as the leader. So you will have to provide um, a satisfying, sufficient answer that will make your member feel help your members. And then the key qualities of a leader. First is empathy and emotional intelligence. You'll have to be able to manage your emotions. Maybe sometimes your member is a bit infuriating, or maybe you're angry sometimes, or yeah, if you have some sort of a bad impression of a member. You'll have to be able to control that emotion, so it doesn't affect your group, your whole group. And then second is decision making ability. Um, for this, of course, you'll have to be able to make a decision whether to uh, maybe make a decision for the dates where you will finish a certain task. So this one is related to the project management skills. You will have to decide which task will you need to do first, and then when will you finish it. And then things related to that also. And then the third is delegation skills. It is when maybe a few members have a disagreement with each other, so you'll have to be able to find a solution and conclude their problems so that it will keep the team morale good. I think that's it for the lessons that have learned. So thank you for watching, and goodbye.